Head Note A. Res judicata. Resumption of land. Violation of assignment conditions. Second show cause notice. Whether barred by res judicata. First show cause notice was issued without jurisdiction, and the same was set aside, instead of dealing with resumption order on merits. In effect, the resumption order was held to be a nullity. Doctrine of res judicata would not be applicable as an order being a nullity never existed in the eyes of the law. Earlier it primarily dealt with the evocation of suo motu revisionary powers under Section 166B of the 1317 Fusli Act for issuing the first show cause notice and not the allegations regarding violation of assignment conditions. Court in the process of arriving at a final conclusion, if the court makes any incidental, supplemental or non-essential observations which are not foundational to the final determination, the same would not tie down the hands of courts in future. Proceedings emanating out of the second show cause notice are not barred by the doctrine of res judicata. Head Note B. Res judicata. Effective test to distinguish between a fundamental or collateral determination is hinged on the inquiry of whether the concerned determination was so vital to the decision that without which the decision itself cannot stand independently. Any determination, despite being deliberate or formal, cannot give rise to application of the doctrine of res judicata if they are not fundamental in nature. Head Note C. Resumption of land. Transfer of assigned land. Violations of the assignment conditions. Temporary pattas issued on 21 October 1961. Applicable law at the relevant time included the 1958 circular as well as GOM 1122 incorporated the condition of non-alienability. Subject land comes under the definition of assigned land as provided under subsection 1 of section 2 of the 1977 Act. Definition under the 1977 Act uses the phrase any other transaction, which necessarily includes the GPA executed as an instrument to surrender ownership and possessory rights in favor of M. GPA executed constitutes a transfer especially in view of the objective of the 1977 Act and consequently would also result in violation of Section 3 of the 1977 Act. Resumption of the subject land and retransfer of its ownership rights to the state does not suffer from any legal infirmity.